Buyer's Guide, Avid, Global Destiny, our major sponsors Robinson's Galleria, Century Park Hotel, Red Fox, Slippers World International, Bartok, R&B Bar, Metatayon, Easy Load, our media partners on TV, Mr. and Miss, Media Publishing, the publishers of Twang Magazine. And special thanks to the following: Miss Isa Wong, Miss Eunice Gonzalez, and Mr. Frederick Go of Robinson's Land for making this event possible. This again is the second annual cosplay competition brought to you by My Destiny High Speed Internet.
So, ako na yung video man now, this time. At any minute na magsisimula ng cosplay competition. Sayang eh, dapat ng cosplay. Bali na. Sige, okay.
Good afternoon to spectators and the cosplayers.
Most especially to our cosplayers, good afternoon to all of you. Today, we're going to celebrate the My Destiny second annual cosplay competition.
I'm Margot.
And I'm JV of My Destiny High Speed Internet. So, today, Margot, ano ba yung pinaka-event natin? So, because some of our spectators and audience are asking, what is cosplay competition?
Well, obviously, a cosplay competition is when participants gather in one place and dress up as their favorite cartoon or anime characters. Apart from dressing up as their favorite characters, they internalize, they really act on character. Kanina nga, di ba, JV, kita mo talagang kinarir nila yung costume.
At kanina nakita natin, sinugod sila naman napakadaming spectators natin. At kanina
Ay, fans na nga eh.
Oo. In fact, kanina nakikita rin natin yung mga robots like Optimus Prime and other characters from
Mr. Bean pa nga eh.
Mr. Bean and Naruto characters. So, furthermore, this event is made possible, of course, by My Destiny High Speed Internet.
In cooperation with Z-Zone Online Philippines, PC Buyer's Guide, Avid, Global Destiny,
With our major sponsors, Robinson's Galleria, Century Park Hotel, Red Fox, Slippers World International, Bartok, R&B Bar, Metatayon, and Easy Load.
our media partners on TV, Mr. and Miss, Media Publishing, the publishers of Twang Magazine,
And we'd like to thank Miss Isa Wong
Miss Eunice
and
Gonzalez,
Mr. Frederick Go for making this event possible.
yeah, JB.
So, how do we go or how are we going to make up this cosplay competition? So, Margo, could you explain to us kung paano yung pinaka-competition format and yung criteria of judging on paano natin malalaman ang pinaka-grand cosplayer natin?
Right, so as we can see, we have our competitors dito sa may backstage. They will come up on stage by batch and they will be judged according to yung pagiging elaborate ng costumes nila and the way they answer our Q&A, right?
So overall, we're going to have 60 cosplayers. So out of the 60 cosplayers, we're going to choose top 12 or 12, final 12 cosplayers, which will be graded upon attire or craftsmanship of 40%, resourcefulness of 10%, stage presence of 20%, in-character dialogue of 20%, and audience impact of 10%. So, mga spectators and fan of our cosplayers dyan, kailangan nyo i-cheer yung mga cosplayers natin because 10% of their grades will come to you guys.
Tapos, kapag nakaabot naman sila sa final 12, they will have the following criteria. Audience impact, that's 20%. And then the Q&A, stage presence, in character, and the interview, that's 80%. That's a huge bulk, JB. So, kailangan galingan talaga nila yung Q&A portion nila.
And later we're going to announce the prizes and the judges for this competition. So, hindi ko na matatagalin at ready natin yung mga first set of cosplayers natin. So, explain ko na yung pinaka-format natin. Lalabas sila, we're going to divide the 60 cosplayers into 4 batches. So they're going to have 4 sets. Per set, we're going to have 15 cosplayers. And out of the set, lalabas sila ng tigta-tatlo. So 3 per set. So out of this 3 cosplayers, when sila i-grade answer, they're going to have a maximum of 1 minute. Only 1 minute at least to say their dialogues and in character their internalize their characters.
Sabi, JB, I'm so excited. So, huwag na natin patagalin pa. our
Okay? So,
batch.
before sige, let's start with our first batch of cosplayers.
Valentino, YSL, Ferragamo, and Chanel. Halston, Gucci, Fiorucci, don't forget my Gucci. Fendi and Armani, God, I miss Gianni. Kenneth Cole, Michael Kors, Mr. Ford, P&G and BC, Gucci, looking good is never easy. Alexander, Ori, I'm such a bitch. I wanna be their Ghana, to fit into my Ghana. Oscar de la Renta, Louis Vuitton, imitation.
I'm God's from berserk, and I will conquer all evil and eliminate them.
Hello! Japanese. Ano yan? Sabi niya, translation, naghahanap siya ng alien, time traveler, saka F-Ball.
私はなめろ。サラダピサスケさん。